The Ray Tensing retrial happening right now downtown. Anchor Tanya O'Rourke is live outside the Hamilton County Courthouse. And Tanya, on the third day of jury selection, we're learning the court is very close to seating a jury now.
You're absolutely right, Craig. Very close. In fact, they could make it official as early as tomorrow morning. And I want to get back to that in just a moment. But I want to talk about for just a moment, if we can, the fact that the defense team really let the cat out of the bag as to what they plan to do in this case a wee bit anyway, especially as it relates to the first thing they'll do right out of the gate. And that is visit the scene where Ray Tensing shot Sam DuBose. You know, as long as this jury is seated tomorrow morning, that could actually happen as early as tomorrow afternoon. And you probably remember this, and you can see in this video, hopefully we're showing you right now, the last time the jury visited the shooting scene, there were concerns that people could take pictures, and that could compromise their identity. Now, jurors stayed inside vans with heavily tinted windows, and a bailiff inside the van gave them information about what they were seeing. And today, we also heard that lead defense attorney Stu Matthews said that former officer Ray Tensing will once again take the stand. And it was back in November when he was on the stand choking back tears. We first, at that point, heard him describe what happened on that night.
I just remember thinking, oh my God, he's gonna run me over and he's gonna kill me. And I just instinctively just drew my gun.
So that, as you will recall, happened last year during the first trial. Now, in the retrial, we actually thought, and I want to bring in my colleague Tom McKee, we thought yesterday, at least some experts told us yesterday, they thought that they may not be able to seat a jury in Hamilton County because so many people had already formed opinions. But today, we're seeing that really may not happen. They may get to keep this trial here in town.
That is correct. The prosecution spent much of Monday and this morning questioning prospective jurors. This afternoon, it was the turn for the defense. Now, each side, all that's left is each side having 4 peremptory challenges for jurors, and that could happen as early as tomorrow. And believe me, there are a number of jurors still remaining in the pool that could replace anybody who is replaced on that panel. But right now, there are 4 blacks in the jury box, 3 women and 1 man. Joining them are 5 white women and 3 white men. The alternate to 2 white women, 1 white man, and 1 black man. Video from the body camera Ray Tensing was wearing when Sam DuBose was shot was repeatedly referenced in questioning today. So was the group Black Lives Matter, and a wide range of opinions emerged from both sides on that topic.
You indicated that Black Lives Matter is bringing attention to unjust killings of African Americans by law enforcement. Do you mean by that any African American who dies at the hand of law enforcement has been unjustly killed?
No. You said it's a group spreading racial hate under the guise of doing good. Tell me about your thoughts on that.
All people matter. I mean, no matter your religion, your race, it all matters.
People need to stand up and say things aren't right.
Well, by the end of the day, 9 people have been excused from the jury pool for a variety of reasons, including opinions already formed, family issues, and personal matters. And Tanya, there were 2 jurors dismissed because of their postings on Facebook. And I know you're going to have a little bit more detail on that coming up on 9 on Your Side at 6.
I was watching that happen. I thought that was really fascinating. I do want to clarify one point quickly. You talked about the current makeup of the panel sitting in the box, the jury box. That may not actually be the jury that is seated tomorrow, that makeup.
Absolutely correct. The peremptory challenges are without cause. They don't have to give a cause. Neither side has to give a cause for why they want to remove any up to 4 jurors. And like I said, there are jurors that have been questioned already that are ready to step in if that does happen.
Okay, Tom McKee, thanks so much. And next at 5:30, an interesting comment from one of the potential jurors. Are the attorney's questions during jury selection, are they influencing the opinions of the jury members? We're going to talk about that in our next half hour. Back to you, Craig.